Do you need to change the label of a CRM field to help with segmenting your customers? Check out our Customizer to edit your CRM record layouts. To open the Customizer, first open the record you wish to change the layout of, and then click the three dots here. Choose Customize to edit. You can add an additional page by clicking here, or Group here. To change the display name or label of a field, click on the spanner icon next to its current name. You can also drag and drop any of the fields to different groups, like this. By clicking Add Fields on any of the groups, you can add in additional contact fields to the layout. To delete a field from the record layout, click on the spanner icon next to the field you wish to remove, and select Delete. You can always add a deleted field back in if required. Once you've finished your layout changes, you can preview the new contact layout using the Preview option along the top of the Customizer. When you're happy with your changes, just click the Save icon here. You can also restore your customization history if you need to undo any changes that have been made. Click the three dots in the top right hand of the page and select Customization History. This will then show you a list of all the recent changes that have been made on this page. Once you know which version you'd like to restore, select Restore, and the customization will revert back to how it was on that date.